In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to install and set up the Dolphin Emulator on your PC. This method works for Windows, Mac, and Linux. To start off, open any web browser and type in dolphin.org. I'll also include the link down in the description for convenience. Once you're on the site, click the blue button that says Download Dolphin 2407 for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Next, look for the latest version of the Dolphin Emulator. As shown here, the latest release is from July 2024. Go ahead and click either Windows 64-bit or Windows ARM 64, depending on your system. After the download is complete, open the file and extract everything into a folder by using the Extract All option. When that's finished, open up Dolphin and head into the Dolphin tool. At this point, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to allow usage statistic reports. Click yes if you're okay with it, or no if you'd rather not. To open a ROM file, click the Open button at the top, and then locate your ROM file in the folder where you saved it. And that's pretty much it. If you run into any issues or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. I'll do my best to respond as quickly as I can. See you